Hello everyone, and welcome to Cabin Fever Crochet with me, Helene. Today I have some very important information on the Christmas in July Fairies Giveaway, so please watch this short clip in its entirety. Want to make sure that everyone is entered into the drawing and subscribe to my channel. And I've noticed over the last several days there have been issues with a huge number of subscribers and comments dropping off. I contacted YouTube last evening via live chat, went round and about, did not get anywhere. So for those of us that have been having the issues, have come to the determination where you copied and pasted your comment from one fairy video to the next, instead of actually typing it in. YouTube's automated system has perceived those as being generated from either robots or spam, and they have completely dropped off. So what I'm asking, and I know this is more time and work, but please go back to my original hashtag in July Fairies video. Link is below. Enter a new comment. Make sure you type that in and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And I'm not asking for a particular comment, so just keep it real. You can keep it short and sweet, but original. And just throw out some ideas. Say, hello, Helene, good morning, exciting event, thank you for the giveaway, yay, fairy fun, love your channel, see you soon, whatever you want to say as long as it's typed in. All right, well, that's it for this time around. Sorry to be the bearer of less than happy news, but please come back again next time for more yarny fun. And until then, I will see you soon. All right, bye for now.